Cream soda. This is cherry flavor where you can have blackberry, blueberry. Oh, lovely. All coming through. Nice. Thank you. This and this compliment. And this, the bread, the old grandma's house. Italian spaghetti house. How lovely. Ravioli with spinach and tomato sauce is parmigiano right on the top. Isn't that beautiful? Let's get this silky silk going. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, it's got the sausage. It's got the nice, like, oh, as if you feel chickpeas, as if you were in the grandma's house and she didn't know what to do. She put all of this in there. Lovely. Well, what is this? Tiramisu with chocolate. Tiramisu. 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 Hopefully, this is the real thing. A nice little place. What a wonderful place.